Hello.
Yeah, hi Uma.
Hi, Andy.
Hello, Uma, are you able to hear me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, haha, sorry. I mean, hell of issues here, okay?
No problem.
Actually, I'm a manager for 10 to 15 people to manage in terms of project as well as the management,
Oh,
okay?
okay, okay,
Okay, and they pull me like in internal calls as well as the leadership calls since 2 days, okay?
okay.
That's why I'm
Yeah.
not able to join any calls and any meetings or any personal meetings. I postpone like anything.
Real. Okay. How about are you doing from work from home or next week
Yeah,
test?
today I came work from home. Okay, that's why morning I'm not able to take class. Now I'm
It's
in home
Saturday
actually. I
also is
reached to
a
home
job.
and no, not required, but just came and checked everything for the safe side.
Okay.
Monday,
So
Monday I could
from
connect.
Monday,
Yeah, from Monday onwards I will be available. Okay, whatever the time you can call me, no issues. Okay.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
Okay, but only thing is that the 3 or 1 hour only, or else what time? Or else
Okay.
we'll have a standard time based on that we'll connect and we'll do that. The reason is right, though I'm work from home, I need to be available in the laptop. I mean another laptop, right? That's right.
Yes, yes, yes. True, true. Yeah, true. Okay.
Okay. We covered completely Java. And do you have any questions on that? And one more thing, we launched 2 classes. Thursday and Friday, correct?
True, true. Yeah.
Yeah, and today and tomorrow we'll connect. Okay,
Okay,
we'll
no
complete
problem.
that.
Yeah. Sure, sure.
Okay, but tomorrow and all, if I'm not available, I'll extend that. I'll see anyway. We don't want to lose anything. Not only for you. This is for applicable for all my reportees, all my like students. Not only for you. Okay.
Okay. No problem.
Okay,
Yeah.
one by one. If see, 6 to 7 people are there. If I forget to do something one day, then it is a rush actually. Now I need to connect by from morning 10 a.m. to evening 7 p.m. continuously. If something is happen,
Okay.
I'm not able to connect. We'll connect. We'll connect in the next day and we'll complete.
Sure,
Likewise,
sure.
since 1 hour I work,
Don't you-
since 1 hour I'm waiting for the, power in home. It's not came. I'm sitting idle. I don't know what to do. That's why. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, my
These
concern
are the
is
situation, but
from from April 1st onwards, I'm going to have a project in my hand. So my concern is like how I'm going to do if I know things, so I can do something there. That's the issue.
yeah, you can do. From today onwards, will start Selenium. Okay,
Yeah.
and going forward, there is no issues will come. The reason, right, the last 2 days also, I came to native and went back to come back, and
Yeah,
many things are
I
happened.
know. I can understand. Same thing
So
happened with
that
me.
reason,
Yeah. Yes. And
yeah,
do I
that's
need to
why. See, though
download?
though it is a Saturday and Sunday,
Yeah. Do I need to
what is
download
that?
any of the jar files or any of the softwares in my system?
Regarding Selenium,
Selenium WebDriver. For that, do I need to
yeah,
download
it's
any
showing now.
software?
Showing.
Okay.
Not much softwares are required. Nothing much. You are able to use Eclipse, right?
Yeah, yeah, I'm able to use Eclipse. Any jar files like JUnit jar
Then
file
that's
or
fine.
how we are
Yeah,
going to
then it's
execute.
fine. Then it's fine. Yeah, then it's fine. I'll tell you. I will completely show how to do the things and everything. We'll go for the
Okay.
from scratch for today. We'll start right.
Sure, sure,
But whatever,
sure.
yeah, it's whatever the things we completed so far in Java. If you are very much clear, then coming sessions will be very easy for you.
Yeah, yeah, I'm clear with the Java sessions.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll start doing Selenium. I was myself also. I'm learning Selenium. Like assertion,
Mhm.
assert is there, right? Assert equals. I'm not able to write the coding for that one. Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh,
I'll see. That part is right. We are far behind the scenes. What we are learning now. Okay, we'll
mhm.
start from scratch and we'll try to learn minimum things. Then we'll move to maximum things and where we need to start actually.
Sure. Okay. Okay.
Okay, let me
Mm.
create one package for com dot. Okay, Uma dot cell basics like that. This is selenium. We should not put as a selenium as the one of the like
Yeah,
package name.
file
The
name.
reason only behind the scene is a file. It's a file name and anything else. We should not put the as a software name. That is the
Yes.
wrong. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
see now before moving to the selenium, we already discussed what is selenium, what is the need of selenium, everything we covered. The
Yeah.
basics agenda, like what is the need for the automation, why it is helping, what are the differences between other tools like that. Now
Yes. Yes.
what we are going to be do, okay, let me like delete this one. Let me create one example, one more project. Okay, here as of now whatever the things we required, we learned so far, all these things can be used in first selenium. Everything will be
Okay.
used in selenium, first point.
Okay.
Okay, and
Uh-huh.
the second point what we need to understand here, we are going to be create the same Java project, okay, up to some time. After that we'll learn to use Maven. We'll go ahead like that. As of
Okay.
now, again I'm going to create a Java project. Okay,
Okay.
let me create here
Hello.
here Selenium basics
Hello. I'm not able to
putting.
hear you
Okay,
properly. Hello.
and
Subhugaru, I'm not able to hear.
basics Selenium or Selenium example. Just up to now there is no difference between the finish. The Java basics. Hello, are you able to hear me now?
Mm,
Hello,
yeah. Now I can. Yeah. Yeah.
now you are able
Now
to
I
hear
can
me?
hear.
My God.
Yes. Yes. There is a
Hello,
lagging between us.
now Uma, it's fine for you.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, I think yeah. What feel like my issues? Okay, you can that today, but tomorrow I will. I already put the dongle and everything set up. Okay, I mean I might face the same issues for it's connecting office laptop also. I'm yet to checking, but delayed for you. That's why only I connecting Haribari. Okay, we'll see that.
Okay. Okay.
And right. Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Hmm.
Hello.
Okay. Now,
Uh,
uh, see, I created one sample example for the Selenium base. Okay, it's a project up to basics project.
I'm not able to see anything.
There is
Like
no
you're
got
still
it
in
difference
on.
between Java
Are you,
basics.
hello. I'm not able to hear anything. Hello. I'm not able to hear.
For
I'm not able to hear anything. Subhugaru.
project
Screen also not sharing.
we need to understand Hello. Okay,
Subugaru,
okay.
I'm
We need to
not.
understand, see how we are going to be write a first Selenium program. For that we need one extra jar, and we need jar will be the final libraries which you are project. Second one is the browser. Okay, and the jar makes are available in the market. But no. Here, I mean, just in just 1 or 2 minutes help out, then made anything, then I'll show. Hmm. Hello now.
No, I'm not able to hear you. Screen as well. I'm getting too
Now you are
late.
able to hear me. It's okay. Now
No, no,
are you able to hear me? Okay, okay. One
too
minute.
late. I
Network
can hear you, but I'm getting
is
too
the
late.
connection has been re-established. One second. One second. It's connecting. Hello.
Hello?
Uma, are you able to hear me now? Okay, it starts.
Hello.
Yeah, hello?
He's saying that everything is good. Hear me now properly?
No, sorry,
Hello.
I'm not able to hear you.
Yeah, Harsha. Are you able to hear me now?
I can hear
Yeah,
you,
Harsha,
but
are you
too
able to hear me?
late.
I can hear both voice. I can see the screen also.
Hello.
Hello?
Even I'm trying many things. Is uh, now better.
Hello? No. Hello?
Yeah, I will stop the meeting and you can rejoin.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I will rejoin again.